All right, how's it going? My name is Olavio. I am recording because I kind of want to record the process of my build for my 94 Supra. She's twin turbo, she's 6 speed, she's a great car. She's treated me well, a lot of good nights and a good memories with the guys. And over the past couple of years, since I've been back to the States from Japan, she's just been neglected. So I'm gonna build her better than what she was before when on those nights with the guys when we were driving on the mountains, hitting the meets, hitting the shows. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready for this car to be where I've always envisioned it being. And slowly but surely, we're gonna get it there. So first thing that I'm gonna start doing on the car, which I've already ordered the parts, they're here. I've been so excited for it since they've gotten to the house. So I'm happy that I can finally do it, recording it. So again, brakes and suspensions. That's the first thing I'm going to be working on. I have HKS coilovers. I have disc brakes Australia, rotors. I got the OEM calipers that I'm going to put on. They come in, it's like black finish. So that's what I really want. I mean, it's going to go well with everything. I also ordered some brake lines, stainless steel braided brake lines. And I'm just waiting for that to get here. But once it gets here, I'll make a video of unboxing that. Excited. For the longest time, the car has needed brakes done. I've just neglected to do it because I couldn't find the pads for the aftermarket one that they put on. I believe it's in IS300s or an Altezza. They call it them in Japan. But I think it's those calipers, but I've never been able to confirm it. So I'm just gonna get the OEM pads. I have new rotors and just better suspension. My suspension is shot after all the nights in Japan, but we'll get it. We'll get it there. I got it. It's gonna go on. So I'm just excited to finally do it. So welcome. This is the first video honestly on the car and parts and everything. So I'm excited for this campaign. I'm excited for this series, whatever it's called. It's going to be recorded. It's going to go on YouTube. I'm going to do clips on TikTok. I'm just not too good with social media or cameras. Honestly, I'm very shy in front of the cameras, but it's all right. Work through it. Get over it. Fuck it. I'm going to have this for the rest of my life. And car is going to go to my son once I'm older. So it's going to be in his life. So we'll get there. We will get there. But yeah, welcome, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. So yeah, I believe I saved a good amount of money. Nothing crazy, but maybe 500 bucks, $600. So this is the alternator, remanufactured. I'm hoping that it lasts me a good time. I've heard that remanufacturers like there's really no, you don't know if it's going to break the next month or the next year or the next 10 years. Alternator remanufactured. I have the front calipers, the rear calipers, the HKS Hypermax S coilovers, and the rotors that I bought. I did buy the rotors on AutoZone. I should have bought them O'Reilly's because I really like O'Reilly's, but AutoZone had a good discount for military and all that, and Black Friday too. So double whammy. I'm gonna post the screenshots of the receipts with just the pricing, honestly, and the part numbers in case anybody's trying to do the same thing. It wasn't bad. I think I got a good deal. So I'll put those up on the video somewhere. Let's get to unboxing. All right, so this is the remanufactured alternator. Do it first because it was on top. And like I said earlier, man, I've been excited to open all of these up, man. And I haven't because I've been waiting to record it for the video. So I don't want to do that. All right. So this is the OEM one. So with my car, I have gone through a lot of batteries. I think five in the past 3 years. Since I switched out the alternator for an aftermarket one I found on eBay. Um, Yeah, no, five batteries in 3 years is crazy. So I think it's the alternator. I'm really hoping it's the alternator, and that this will fix my battery issues. My lights have been fluctuating. Like whenever I'm driving at night, my headlights, they'll get brighter and then dimmer, brighter and then dimmer, brighter and then dimmer. All of the lights on the inside also, same thing. So it's just been kind of a nuisance. I think it looks shitty. Makes the car look shittier than what it is. So I'm really hoping that this fixes that, and if not, I'll check grounding and I'll find the source and I will get it fixed. But yeah, alternator. Boom. All right. Next thing is one of the rear. Let's do both of the rear calipers. Um, all right. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so freaking excited. I'm gonna keep this tag on it until I get it onto this car. Look at how good this looks. And that's red. It's white and red under here. So it's gonna go with the wheel setup so well. Okay, so this is one. Let me put this to the side real quick. All right. And this is two. Oh, I want to see that logo so bad. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna find a Saturday and a Sunday, knock it out. I know it's not too crazy of a job, but I'm afraid that while I'm going through it, I'm going to find something else wrong, tie rod, end link, whatever it may be, and it's going to be something else that I need to buy to replace while I'm already there. But it's again, it's not crazy. Like I can get under there again. But this is the first major project I have done myself on the Supra, and so I am kind of nervous for it. But yes, left and right. I don't know which is which, but we will figure that out. Let me get these back in the box. Finally, man. It's been so long, so long. And I wanted to, but I've been too scared. I've been too broke. Not broke, but like money's always not been able to go into the car. But now I said, forget it. Let's get it through and get it done because she deserved it. Dude, I've literally jumped a bridge with that car. Like it wasn't a bridge, but like it was a bridge bent. Yeah, like I've jumped a bridge. Like me and my buddy were racing. He had a Supra too, and we were over in Mexico, and we were running it, man. Like we wanted to see whose car was faster. We just got in the cars too. Not just got in the cars, but we had gotten the cars not too far before, and with that, I jumped it. I went a little bit more past where I should have stopped, where we normally stop at the spot, and I got up and then came down, scraped a little bit, and it was a good time. It was a good time. So I've done a lot of shit. I've togeed in that car with my boys. Um, so yeah, she's been neglected, and it's time. It's been time. So after the rears, let's do the front part numbers. So if you guys are interested, you guys can find it, order it. You can buy these on Toyota parts. Go to get your local Toyota, see if they're running a special. Sometimes they'll run like a buy one, get one 50. I don't think they'll ever do that again because the dude said the amount of orders that they had gotten because of that deal was ridiculous from other people with Supras trying to get good deals. I don't think they'll ever run that again. But this was 33% off. Um, I bought it. I think it was West Virginia, a West Virginia Toyota, and these are absolutely massive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the front brake, and it says Supra in white, and then it has like a red little tail under it. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. All right. Keep going back there. Left, right. All right. There we go. So, front of the caliper facing the outwards of the car, inside, obviously. Um, I am very excited. Oh, yes. Very excited. Um, very heavy. Very heavy. I don't know why I expected it to be lighter than what it is, but it's okay. Performance. Okay. Okay. Put this in. Here. Uh, boom. All right. Calipers. I've been excited to open these. Ah, all right. HKS. All right. Boom. Ah, so excited. Ah. Look at this. It's the suspensions. Yes. Ah, boom. I think these are the front. Ah, ah. And then these might be the rears. They seem a little lighter. No, these are the front. The other ones are the rears. I don't know. That's all right though. We will figure it out. Uh, Manual in Japanese, which is awesome. I bought these on an American site. I'm hoping that there is no tariff on it. I have not received anything in regards to tariffs yet, so that is a good sign. But I did buy it from an American website. So let's see if that company eats the tariff or if I do. So, boom, suspensions. These are gonna look so good. So good. Yeah, these are gonna look amazing. Okay, these over here. And let's do the rotors. I'm trying to get this as quick as possible, least hazard as possible. Oh, I'm getting my background noise. I'll try to edit that out, but that's okay. That's okay. I love it. Thanks. Oh yeah. Oh. So I did some research and I was looking for the best street performance rotors. And I gotta buy pads. But many good reviews. The DBA Disc Brake Australia 4000 series. Right. And so the reason I decided I wanted not drilled or and slotted is because during my research, I found that drilled slots, um, it's less, you're taking out surface area for the brake pads to be touching. So, and you're also potentially, depending on how hard you're hitting it, messing up um, the integrity of the rotor itself. So, like more holes, you're not, you have less rotor to be able to use to brake, and then structurally, keep it sound, you know? So under extreme pressure, I've heard that slotted Android not good for track, not good for all that. So I just went with the slotted because I'm trying to build it performance and I don't want to lose to a BMW again, nor a Mustang. Um, yeah, so very excited to get these on, and I'm going to be recording that this upcoming week. Um, and I will be posting that also. So um, it's the same thing. So I'm just gonna keep it at the chase, save some time on the. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching if you guys did watch, and I'm excited to get these on the car. So we'll get there.